What if I told you that the next revolution in artificial intelligence might not come from the giants we all know, but from a quiet breakthrough inspired by the most complex organ in the human body, the brain? A team of Chinese scientists has just unveiled a game-changer that challenges the status quo of AI development. Let's dive into how this brain-inspired system could redefine efficiency in computing and spark some fascinating debates along the way. At the heart of this innovation is SpikingBrain 1.0, a large-scale AI model developed by the Institute of Automation under China's Chinese Academy of Sciences. Unlike mainstream systems like ChatGPT, which rely on the data-hungry transformer architecture, SpikingBrain 1.0 mimics the brain's spiking neurons, those tiny, electricity-sparing cells that fire only when needed. This approach isn't just a tweak, it's a paradigm shift. But here's where it gets controversial. Could this brain-inspired model actually outperform the current AI giants without needing mountains of data or energy? The team claims their model achieves results comparable to open-source leaders in language understanding and reasoning, but with just 2% of the pre-training data. Imagine training a system as powerful as today's models using a fraction of the resources. And this is the part most people miss. The model's use of event-driven spiking neurons during inference, the stage where the AI generates answers, delivers a staggering 26.5x speed boost when processing massive contexts like a million-token document. For tasks such as analyzing legal contracts, medical records, or even DNA sequences, this kind of efficiency could be a lifeline. But how does it work? Traditional transformers require constant computation, churning through data, even when there's no input. SpikingBrain 1.0, on the other hand, activates only when necessary, like a brain cell firing in response to a stimulus. This isn't just clever, it's a blueprint for the future of neuromorphic computing, where hardware mimics biological systems. The team has even open-sourced the model and released a bilingual technical report, inviting the global community to test and refine their work. To put this into perspective, consider the Spec chip, a collaboration between Chinese and Swiss researchers. This tiny neuromorphic chip consumes just 0.42 milliwatts at rest, a fraction of the energy used by a standard LED bulb. By contrast, the human brain itself uses only 20 watts to process vast neural networks. If AI can learn from biology, the implications are staggering. Ultra-low power devices that outperform today's systems in both speed and sustainability. Shubo, director of the Institute of Automation, calls this a non-transformer technical path for AI. But does that mean the era of transformers is over? Or is this just another tool in the AI toolbox? The debate is already heating up. Some experts argue that brain-inspired models like SpikingBrain 1.0 could democratize AI by making it accessible to smaller teams and developing nations. Others warn that biological mimicry might not capture the full complexity of human cognition. So what's your take? Is this the dawn of a new AI era, or will transformers still hold the crown? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's spark a conversation about the future of intelligent machines. After all, the brain has been solving efficiency puzzles for millions of years. Maybe it's time we let it teach us a thing or two.